don't worry about the test. It is simple, very simple. After the test also, I prefer everyone to be online itself only. You can give online itself only during this time. So some people, again, they are I am taking this now. Okay. Please keep your camera on. Okay, it is possible. If possible. Okay, everyone, just for few minutes. Right. Krishna Prabhu sir, KP sir, are you there?
Yes, Naveen sir, tell me.
Okay, sir. Shall we start the valedictory? I hope all have completed their assessment.
Okay.
So most of you have completed the assessment. Don't worry about any particular issues. So it's easy. I hope everyone have cleared it. Getting nothing complicated. Whatever you know, whatever I know, small part of that one only I've added. Nothing complicated. And generally speaking, none of the answers, nothing has been shared with my colleagues or anyone. So it is purely taken from the video or the PPT, and then it has been shared. Okay, and the questions, and moreover you can get it and get the answers. Okay, it is related to technical parts. Okay, so once again, I thank all the people who have joined, mainly especially faculties who have joined. So we'll start with the valedictory here. So for the valedictory, I would like to welcome our head of the department, Dr. B. Krishna Prabhu, and the coordinator for this FDP. Welcome you, sir. And I would like to welcome our professor, Dr. N. Venkatesh sir, for this valedictory function also. Welcome you, Venkatesh sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I would like to welcome our very own colleague and friend, Dr. Our Prashant Kamath sir, for this inaugural function. Okay. Okay. And I would like to welcome our another colleague, that is Nagesh Kamath sir, for this valedictory function. Okay, and all my colleagues, I welcome you. And I would like to tell that most of our faculties are busy with exam schedules. The exams are going on, so for that they are busy. So they are not available. So with the available staffs and colleagues, I would like to start this inauguration. Firstly, I would like to thank Almighty for giving me strength and giving me opportunity to organize this type of FDP, that is the AICT Atal Academy sponsored 1 week faculty development program. Firstly, with that, I would like to thank AICT Training and Learning Academy for identifying my proposal and taking that as a one thrust area and approving for conducting this FDP in and around or at a pan-India level. Next, I would like to thank the patrons of our college, that is uh, Shri Annappai M, the president of Canberra High School Association, and Shri M Padmanabh Pai, the vice president of Canberra High School Association and correspondent of Canberra Engineering College, and Shri M Ranganath Bhatt, the honorary secretary of Canberra High School Association. Then I would like to also thank our advisory committee, that is Dr. Ganesh V. Bhatt, Principal and Director of this FDP, and our another advisor, and that is Mr. Vinayak Kamath, CEO Auto CNC Ace Micromatic Groups, Bangalore, who is a DAC member and was also one of the keynote addresses. In his absence, I would like to welcome him and thank him. And we are having our another DAC member, that is Dr. Satyabodh M. Kulkarni sir, my teacher and professor at Department of Mechanical Engineering, NITK, Suratkal. And I would like to thank Dr. K.V. Gangadharan sir, also advisor committee and professor at Department of Mechanical Engineering, NITK, Suratkal, for giving us opportunities to contact Dr. Prithviraj sir and showcase the facilities of 3D printing in their laboratories. And I would like to first also thank my organizing committee members, co-coordinators, that is Mr. Narayan Swami R and Vinod Kumar NB, and our members, that is Dr. N. Venkatesh sir, Mr. Sandeep S, Mr. Nagesh Kamath sir, Mr. Vijay PS, Mr. Ramesh Desai sir, and Mr. Srinivas Shane. Then I would like to tell you that we had various speakers right from day one till today. All the speakers and all the expertise, whoever were there, whom I contacted, I would like to thank them also. From right to mention them, Dr. Prithviraj U, Dr. Manjaya M from NITK, NIT Warangal, Dr. Shrikant Bonta from NITK Suratkal, and Mr. Vijay Bharat, CEO Fractal Works Bangalore, and our own lab instructor Ganesh Moger, and Dr. Shabana Urj, who all the way from Saudi joined us and was also a participant for this one, and Dr. Falguni Patti from IIT Hyderabad, and Mr. Mahesha B.R. Pandit, founder and CEO of Rightif Technologies, Bangalore, and Dr. Sampath Kumar from Manipal Institute of Technology, Mahe, Manipal, and Dr. Sandesh Kamath B from Mangalore, and our own students, that is Suhas Kamath and Sumant Shane. So I would, it was a great journey, and next I would like to ask our HOD to tell something and thank. I don't have words to speak. You will take care. Okay, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, one and all. I'm really very happy that we got this opportunity to conduct AICT Atal FDP, and it's good to see that it is online this time, although it has disadvantages, it has some advantages as well. And because of online mode, we could able to see some of the labs that are beyond Canara Engineering College as well, like NITK lab we saw. And more than that, we could also able to arrange a few speakers who are very far from South Canada. And also many participants were all from different states who have participated in this FDP. Probably if it would have been offline, these many participants or these many resource people we would not have arranged. However, the hands-on session is one thing I feel we missed. Often we see to it that whenever we conduct any workshop or any FDPs on any training sessions, we always see to it that most of it will be hands-on, so that the participants enjoy engineering. And because it is online, there was very less opportunity to do that. But still, whatever the best that we can do, we have tried to give it to all you people, taking into account your valuable time. I mean, taking into account the value of your time. So it's good that all of you participated in this FDP, and I'm sure you people enjoyed. Every one of us enjoyed the expert talks and other activities that are being conducted. Now, Naveen Kalal sir, being one of the coordinators, he has thanked almost all people. And again, I would like to congratulate and thank everyone who is connected with this FDP. And again, one more FDP we have, starting probably from 28th or so. So I request all of you people to even join that FDP as well. We have, again, very reputed speakers even for that FDP. I hope you people join that, and this FDP went really well. And probably instead of me telling that, it would be better if any participant share their thoughts on, or give their feedback on how did their time and how did the knowledge sharing happen in this FDP. So finally, again, from my side, I would like to thank all the coordinators who are responsible for this FDP a reality. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, Naveen sir.
Thank you, sir. Any participants would like to give feedback, or we want to record your feedbacks, so it is recorded, so it will be there with us. So you can on your mic, and you can speak with keeping your cameras on. So we are eager to hear you. Anyone from the participant side? Venkatesh sir? Anyone can.
I was expecting an external participant to give the opinion. That's why I was just holding back a little bit.
External participants. Rayappa Srinivas Mali, sir. Do you speak?
Yeah, it was a very informative session, sir. Thanks for the opportunity. A very nice
Thank you.
session. Thank you.
Thank you, Bindu.
If there is any scope for the improvement, we
Yes, yes.
request you to suggest those improvement areas so that we can make it better next time.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I totally enjoyed and learned a lot in comfortable environment. Thank you, sir.
multiple. Yeah, I got three. ठीक है ऑनलाइन
Hello. Correct? Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, Amish, sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, very good afternoon, sir. Sir, I would like to thank the organizing committee for such a informative FDP on additive manufacturing. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Amish, sir.
हाँ नहीं तो
Yeah, thank you all for your feedback. Naveen Kalal, sir, further feedback we could check it up with whatever feedback the participants has given. The participants have given on Atal website, I believe. If you are in there, please proceed.
Sir, you are unmuted.
Yeah.
Marks will be up.
Yeah, Naveen Kalal, sir, please unmute yourself and proceed.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I hope.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Krishna Prabhu, sir. The marks will be uploaded into the Atal website. So after getting it uploaded, so it will be the certificates will be generated, and then you'll be getting your certificate directly into the Atal login itself only. So it will be taking couple of days. So wait for that one, and whatever the group we are having, in the group itself only you'll be there. So when it will be processed, I'll be just telling that the processing of the certificate is already done, and you can start downloading the process. Most of you have been aware of that one. The same process it will be happening. Okay, so we require your feedbacks. So you can put your feedbacks. If you're not possible audio, you can put your feedbacks, write your feedbacks in the chat box itself only. From there, we are going to take it. I request everyone to be there and take the last snap now. Okay, if you are available on it, on your cameras, I'll take the last snap.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yeah, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ನಾನೇ
Okay. Yes.
ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Naveen sir,
Yes, sir.
when will we get our certificate?
Sir, we have to upload your marks. So as soon as we upload the marks, it will take a process from AICT, and then they will be signatures, all that digital certificate you will be getting. In a
Fine
couple
sir,
of days.
thank you. Thank you.
You'll upload your marks, sir. You have to upload your marks, then you'll get. Like how?
Yeah, we are curious to know the marks also.
Okay, sure. Yeah. So be in the WhatsApp group itself only, we'll update. Okay.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Okay. Okay. Recording off ಮಾಡಿ ಇವರು.